Alright YouTubers, last fan I have here is this 56-inch Compton greaves. I got the motor off eBay without blades, with new packaging. Blades are custom from Peter. Fortunately they're steel, so they have a bit more weight than the aluminum. So they don't run as fast. I definitely am still looking for blades for this. If anyone has any or knows where some are, I appreciate it, but for right now this is what it is. Let's go here and look at tags actually, because I think this one has its tags. Yeah. There's the first tag, the other tag's over here. And there's the second tag. So, well, it's cool to get it. I do wish it had right blades. Let's go ahead and go to low speed. This is one of the fans that still eluded me to this day. I mean, I thought I would find this before a lot of other fans I found, and this one's taken definitely the longest. Still looking for blades or a complete fan. I know where two of these are that are complete with light kits actually, but they're in a restaurant and they're not selling them. They have my number, but I don't know if that's ever going to happen. So there's low speed. Get off my arm. Let's go ahead and go to low speed drawing point to. Let's go ahead and go to a medium-ish speed on this thing. Motor really struggles with these blades. Yes, there's a wobble. Blades aren't even balanced that well. I think one weighs more than the other. I'll have to see about it and as to either grinding it down or adding weight to one that's opposite of it. Let's go ahead and go to high speed. And what is high speed with these blades? As you can see, it runs, but it's definitely being slowed down. Drawing only 0.77. It still moves good air with this, so I'm not complaining about that. But you can just see just how slow it's going. It's not really that fast at all. But, I mean, I know these things are supposed to be powerhouses, so it's kind of let down, but it is what it is. It still works good. I'm still glad I got the blades. But I'm definitely still going to be looking for either blades for this one or vice versa, actual complete 56-inch one. If anyone has one for sale, let me know. I don't care if it's white or brown, just I'm looking for the 56-inch 4-metal blade ones. The only one I cannot seem to find. So go ahead and do spin down. This will be my last fan today. I don't have anything else to test, so. Tomorrow I probably will have one more fan of tests for Adam. It's the 36-inch new unboxed SMC. And yes, I'm getting another one. It should be here tomorrow. Tomorrow, Friday. Most likely tomorrow. So besides not having the original blades, it still looks really good. Almost seems like the blades have too much pitch or something. Also, I don't know, maybe it's just me. If you look at that, I don't know. But the instructions definitely show metal blades for this fan, not wood. I actually do have a wood-bladed one, 56-inch in white, and even that one flies a lot faster than this one. Like I said, steel just weighs too much. I don't want to keep running it like this because I don't want to ruin the motors, because this is a new unboxed motor. Probably guess it's gonna be a very long spin down due to these blades and how much they weigh. Like I said, this is the last fan for today. After this, I'm probably going to throw the dating back up and just go inside and relax. Like, I haven't had a relaxing day in a while, so yeah, that's the shower. Florida's cooking me. Come on.